If you're a small business owner on the Sunshine Coast, I've got some great news for you. Chances are you've probably used Google to find more customers and drive more traffic to your website. But maybe you're wondering, how does Google Ads even work? Rather than paying an agency, you've wanted to learn this for yourself. We are running a Google Ads workshop here in Caloundra on the 29th of October. In this workshop, we're going to show you from beginning to end how you can set up a Google Ads account, do your research to find keywords that are relevant to your business, and find your ideal customer. We'll talk through how to structure a good campaign, and we'll set one up together in the workshop. By the end of it, you should have a fully functional Google campaign that's ready to go and will get your business seen not just on Google Search, but on YouTube, Discovery, and on their displaying network of 3 million websites and mobile apps that display Google Ads in their blogs, websites, and more. So if you're on the fence about learning more about Google Ads, I would encourage you to take the jump and come and join us at the workshop on the 29th. We've already sold 60% of our tickets 2 weeks out, so you do need to move fast. You can always click to learn more and send us a message if you have questions. Otherwise, I hope to see you there.